Let's go with the example here. Take the same example of the marks here. We are going to find out the median in this class interval. So the median formula is, that is L plus sum of f by 2 minus capital F divided by fm into I. Now first job is finding out L. So what is L? L is lower limit of the class interval where median lies. Now in this class interval, in this data, we are going to find out where is the median is going to come. So median means, all of us we know, it is exact the middle value. So exact the middle value means, suppose we have 10 people are there, fifth person is going to be the middle person. It's nothing but total by 2, nothing but sum of f by 2. So first step is you have to find out sum of f by 2. Sum of f is 10, sum of f by 2 is 5. So the fifth person is going to be the middle person. Now we have to find out where is the fifth person out of all this class interval. To find out this class, we have to go for cumulative frequency. So all of us will learn what is cumulative frequency. So let's start cumulative frequency. So first one, it is 1. Second is 1 plus 1, it is 2. The meaning here is 1 person below 5, 2 persons below 10. So we have to identify the fifth person. Where is the fifth person? Now when we see this third one, that is 4 plus 2, it is 6. So already 6 person already appeared here. The meaning is fifth also inside this only. So anywhere between 11 and 15, we are going to get the median. So we have to make a box like this in this class interval. Making this box is most important when we are calculating the median. Once the box is over, remaining part will be very easy. Now what is L here? L means lower limit of the class interval where median lies. So we are going to say here only median is going to come. So lower limit is 11. So L is equal to 11, this point. Next, sum of f by 2. So already we calculated is 5. Sum of f by 2 already we calculated it is 5. Next is capital F. So what is capital F is sum of frequencies below L. Now L is 11, below L is 10. Sum of frequencies below L. So below 11, how many people are there? In this case, we have 1 and 2. There are 2 people are there below 11. So F is equal to 2. Next, we need FM. FM is frequency where the median lies. So median is going to come in this class interval. Frequency is 4. So FM is equal to 4. Next, I. I is nothing but width of the class interval. As I told you, just use your fingers to calculate this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total I is 5. Once we calculated, identify the values like this, then substitute all the values into the formula. So that will be 11 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4 into 5. It's going to be 11 plus, so it is median is equal to 14.75. So this is a way to calculate median in this class interval data.